Are you ready, Tien?
Oh, yes, I am.
Okay. Right. Let's take it back to the beginning. So, Discover 4, Unit 11 and 12, speaking test. My name is Mikey. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hello, teacher. My name is Tiến. I'm 13 years old. I'm from Discovery. Today, I'm going to tell you about the topic, how do our bodies work?
Fantastic. Nice. So, tell me something interesting about yourself.
Uh, my my hobby is playing sports and I'm playing games.
Okay. Nice. Thank you very much. So, viruses. Can you tell me what you know about these microscopic organisms?
Uh, Viruses are small, they they can cause many kinds of diseases. And
Mm-hmm.
and if you want to see the viruses, you cannot see it with a regular microscope. So you need a powerful electron one to see them.
Yeah, good terminology. Well done. Um, how do viruses enter our bodies?
Uh, when when they 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 infect into the live cells in our body.
Yeah, but how can they enter our body? How do they get into our bodies?
Uh, when they get into your skin, they cannot get into your body because they are dead cells. But when you have a cut or a scrape,
Mhm.
viruses will get in.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Also, if you have the virus on your hand and you touch your mouth or your nose or your eyes, this is another way viruses can get into our bodies. So we must always make sure we clean our hands thoroughly. Okay. This is a type of virus. What do you know about it?
Uh, the influenza viruses makes can cause the flu.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay. And what happens when we get the flu?
uh, we will get a cold and we will cough.
Hmm. Yeah. So what are the symptoms? You said we get a cough. We might get
And you
a
feel sick.
cold. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So we tend to feel sick with no energy, very tired. Um, just not a very nice feeling at all. Um, do you know what the common name for this is?
Uh,
The clue is in the name. Not sure.
yeah, I'm not sure.
We call it the flu. Okay, so the common name for it is the flu. We have flu seasons where people get sick. Okay, to the next part. Then I want you to look at um, this poster, and I want you to explain what you know about the immune system.
Uh, the immune uh, the the immune system is like a suit of armor, and it
What part is like the armor? What part of the immune system? Because it's made of different parts. Which
uh,
part was like a suit of armor?
it is your skin.
Okay, good. So tell me about the skin.
Uh, the top layer of the skin is made of dead cells, so viruses can get in our body. But when you have a cut or a scrape, then viruses can get in.
Okay, good. What's the next part of the immune system?
The next part is the nose hair,
Mm-hmm. Good.
and
Well done.
when the viruses get into your nose, they can get trapped by the nose hairs.
Mm-hmm. Correct. What happens if it gets past the nose hairs?
Uh, they can get trapped by mucus.
Good. Okay. Right. Tell me about the mucus.
Uh, the mucus is very slimy, and if and the mucus carries the viruses into into the stomach, which means that the viruses are swallowed.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So continue.
When the viruses get into the stomach, the the stomach acids uh, some sometimes it sometimes destroy the viruses, but sometimes some viruses may get through the stomach acids.
Okay. Right. And then there's one more. Can you tell me about that one?
Uh, they so when they get into your body, when uh, the white blood cells can kill the viruses and the infected cells.
Yeah. Fantastic. So the white blood cells is the most important part of the immune system. Really, they stop the viruses from taking control once they're inside your body. Okay. The respiratory system. What can you tell me about this system?
Uh, the respiratory system has has many parts like the nose, the nose trachea, and the diaphragm, uh, the
Yep.
diaphragm and the lungs.
Good. Well done. Um, what is the main job of the respiratory system? What is the purpose?
Uh, it helps get in the oxygen and rushes out the carbon dioxide.
Yeah, brilliant. Can you tell me what is this part of the respiratory system?
Uh, it's
The one that sits beneath the lungs. What is it called?
it's called
Have a guess if you don't know.
uh, yeah, I don't know.
It's the muscle that controls the size of your lungs. Can you
Uh,
not remember the name? It's a really important part of the respiratory system.
is it the diaphragm?
Diaphragm, thank you. Okay, how does the diaphragm work?
The when when the when you breathe in, your diaphragm gets bigger, and and when
Not our diaphragm gets bigger. What happens when we breathe in? It's not so much
uh,
the diaphragm that gets bigger.
when
What part
when
gets...
when you breathe in, your diaphragm helps your lungs to get bigger.
There we go. Thank you. Yeah. So it makes our lungs bigger. It expands them so we can get enough oxygen uh, to breathe and to respirate. Okay. The circulatory system. What is the job of this system?
It uh It carries oxygen and food to all cells in your body.
Good, well done. And what are the main parts of the circulatory system?
Mm, the main parts are the heart, the veins, the capillaries, and the blood that moves into all those parts.
Good, well done. So can you describe how the two systems work together?
Mm, when you breathe in, your diaphragm gets your helps your lungs to get bigger,
Good.
and the air flows into your nose, through your trachea, and into your lungs.
Mm-hmm.
And this this air has oxygen, so then the oxygen in your lungs passes into the capillaries, then carry blood to the vein,
Good.
and the vein then takes the blood to the left side.
Oh,
That's-
oh, sorry, the pulmonary vein. Good, yes.
Then the vein takes the blood to the left side of your heart, and your heart pumps the blood into arteries. They
Good.
carry oxygen to all cells in your body.
Mm-hmm.
Then those cells use oxygen to keep our body healthy, and they also create dioxide after they use oxygen. And but your body doesn't need carbon dioxide, so the blood takes them away. And after veins carry blood, those blood back to the right side of your heart, is pumped back into your lungs. The carbon dioxide then passes back into the air in in your lungs. And finally, when your diaphragm squeezes the lungs, the carbon dioxide goes out of our body.
Okay, fantastic. Good explanation. Thank you. What are your opinions on exercise, Tien?
Uh, it helps us get to get to get healthier, and uh, it helps it helps you to live more longer, and it helps your bone stronger, and you can and and im- and 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 it helps us to feel happier.
Okay, good. Yeah, so it makes us feel happier. It can improve our immune system, those types of things. Okay, staying healthy. Why is it important and how can you do it?
If you stay healthy, you will have no diseases, and you will live more longer and happier. And if you want to stay healthy, you should do more exercise, eat more healthy food, and and
That's fine. Yeah,
yeah.
you can leave it there. Okay, thank you very much, Tien. Well done. Yeah, great job. I'll see you soon.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye.